Y'all know where we at, boys. It's your boy Joel, and y'all know how it is. We back in Mexico, getting some of these street races in Mexico City. Bike on bike, who y'all got? Left or right? I'm going for the right lane. I'm going for the right lane. Yes, sir, that's right lane. That is right lane. My boy Jeremiah just raced, just now, a Turbo Civic. He lost the second one, but it was a jump, so you still win. He still win. Oh yeah, he playing. He know what he playing.
Why'd you put your shit on?
She parking. No, she parking. Yeah, she parking. Dale pa'lante. Dale pa'lante. Quédate ahí, tú quédate aquí. Just have them park. Have this one parked. Car coming. Hold up, car coming. Jay, a car coming, nigga. Hey, watch out. Let him get out the way.
I'm gonna make that car go around.
Dance. Come back, Dance. Come back.
40, 60, 80,
Come back all the way. Just come back. The car going around. Keep going. Watch your back, homie. Watch out, Nate. Keep going, Daz. Keep going. All right, right there. All right, y'all both perfectly matched. You heard? Yeah, they good. They good right here.
Don't let this 392. I mean, don't let that fucking thing whoop us. 392.5.
Hold on.
392.5.
Go forward. You good? Stop. Y'all ready? What happened? Yeah, what happened, boy? What happened? You said he shouldn't have?
He should have.
No. You know how much?
What you do to that car?
What you mean, nigga? His car heavy as shit.
Listen, it's not that.
His car's heavy.
Give a fuck how much power you got.
Yeah.
You can't make it stick. It's pointless.
Yeah, exactly.
See what I'm
Exactly.
saying? He's spinning. Now, if they do a roll, that guy gonna eat the fuck out of that seat because he's not gonna spin. I'll let y'all take that.
But not from the takeoff.
Not from the dig. No, that's what
No,
I said.
no,
If they
yeah.
do the roll, the sky.
If they were doing 30 roll, Scout would have won.
If they race a quarter, the sky will whoop him.
But the
We're
thing
racing
is,
eight.
look,
We're
this
racing
guy
eight.
had hella people in the car so he could get, yeah. So he,
Get him in the
yeah.
you don't know how to drive it. You can still get him in
He got a slider
leave his
though.
foot off the gas a little bit so you don't spin.
Nah, he could drive that bitch. He's just
Spinning ain't
drifting that
winning,
bitch, yo. I think they might rerun it. Who knows?
Damn, he ain't seeing
Hey.
that. Look, bro.
Well, Jack, I thought he was reversing.
That HP transmission ain't up.
I thought he was reversing.
Good shit, boy.
Ain't up, man.
Good shit, boy.
Hey, my man.
First a turbo Honda, now a big V8. Damn, boy, the boys have came and they said everybody got a bounce. To be honest, everybody took off as soon as they seen them lights. So, you know what I mean? I'm already out too. I can still see some of the sirens, like the police lights back there. There's a lot of cars in front of me and a lot of cars behind me. But yeah, we making it back to the border. About to come back to America and see where else in Mexico we could get some nice little street races for you guys. So, my bad if the content's been, you know, same thing as always, but I'm trying to switch it up, man. If y'all liking the stuff, hit the like button right now. Subscribe to your boy's channel. Other than that, we about to meet up in our, you know, our favorite spot at the gas station. And then cross the border again and go back to Mexico. See you guys when we get there. You know, we made it to our spot. The planning spot. Look. Yes. Yeah, look at that damn, boy. That's the ones I want. Y'all seen this thing moving. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen that bad bitch moving. Y'all seen this thing moving. Smoking scat snacks. Got a couple people here. Got a whole lot of people here. A whole lot of cars. Y'all see my baby over there. Crazy with it. Crazy. Made it. Spot number 2.
Not up on the ground. It's the gas station. This is what no one knows about.
Yeah. Not yet. Not yet. Hey, no, I never put the locations. I don't even gotta blur it out. I never put the location. This Mexico. Who?
The Echo.
I'm about to say, who's fighting? Mira, coño. What? Park wherever you want, nigga. The street free. Oh, see? Toma gorda. That line, cricket as fuck. Dale, más. Sigue. Ya. Right there, he good right there. Maserati, EcoBoost. He said he done running. Why he do that? The fucks with the back. We got another one over there. Y'all see him? He over there.
Hey, someone go park your photo booth. Go get that helmet.
Hey, just tell him not to do it, and that's it. Why they even playing with the cop? The cop said if they're gonna race, they better just keep going, don't stop, because he might chase them. He's not. Yeah.
That's what she said. We good.